Hello everybody and welcome to another action figure review. I recently reviewed the digital comic or graphic novel Deadworld, and after doing that I found this rather unusual figure, the main villain from the comic book King Zombie. So today we're going to take a look at King Zombie. First, a look at the box. And here we have the box, typical shoebox style with the Deadworld logo and King Zombie here. And on the back, another picture of King Zombie and then a small read up here about the character. King Zombie comes with a decent amount of accessories. First we have this bloody head of a red-haired woman. And one cool thing is that you can actually remove this, so you can use it on a figure if you want to create a zombie woman of some kind. But this is also a nice detail. Then we have a bunch of hands, including gripping hands here to hold an axe or another accessory, some clawing hands, a hand with a pointy finger, and all of them are made with black sharp nails and scratches, blood and stuff like that. Then we have two different sunglasses, and we have a cigarette, a very tiny piece here that you can put in his mouth. So he is a smoking zombie, which, well, I guess it doesn't hurt because he's already dead. And then we have, if we look at the figure here, we have an axe and also his headband here, which is removable. And all of the accessories fit pretty good on the figure. There is a tiny hole in between his teeth where you can put the cigarette, and the glasses also fit, and of course he's able to hold the axe. If we again take a look at the head here, there are some kind of sculpted holes or whatever it's called for his fingers, so you can put it in his hand, and he has a special hand here for holding the bloody head. One thing to notice is that King Zombie is actually a good deal taller than the average 1/6 scale figure. Here we have a size comparison next to Judge Dredd, and as you can see with his hair, he is actually taller. King Zombie is a figure made by Phicen, but it's not the typical stainless steel skeleton body. This is a regular body with visible joints, which doesn't really matter because you can't see it, but it's still a very well articulated body with double jointed elbows and a good deal of head movement as well. Movement here at the body, mid-body. He can kick forward like that and back, double jointed knees, and a very good ankle rocker here. So good articulation. It's a bit difficult to switch out the hands, but it's not a big deal. And all in all, I think the articulation is more than enough for a character like this. If we move in closer, we can see some of the great sculpted details. I don't know if it's intentional, but the red or white eyes of King Zombie actually kind of lights up if we turn off the light and put on some effect, red light or yellow light or something. They actually brighten up and it looks very cool. If we remove the headband here, he doesn't look that cool. So I would recommend to leave it on because it looks better. But all in all, the rest of the cloth here, the leather jacket with blood details on it, the torn jeans here, and the nice leather boots, it's all in a very good quality and it looks good on the figure. So if you want a bloody biker, you could switch out the head, of course, and maybe use another type of hands. And again, you could put this zombie head on another body and have a different type of zombie. But I think I'm going to keep the pieces together here. King Zombie is a motorcycle riding, smoking, intelligent zombie character, and he can also be used as a generic zombie. This might not be a figure for everyone. I think that it's a good figure, the quality is good, accessories are good, and it's well made. So if you need a zombie, or more specifically King Zombie in your collection, I would definitely recommend to check out this Phicen figure. If you're interested in more about the Deadworld comic, read my review or just check it out somewhere. Thanks a lot for watching, leave a comment and subscribe if you'd like to see more.